Tracking the below zero temperatures right now, coldest spot, at least on this map, goes to Yellowstone at 10 below. I showed you the -8 at Driggs just a little bit ago. 7 below already in Island Park. And then it gets a little warmer, if you will. We're above zero at least. Du Bois, you're at 13. And thankfully not nearly the wind you had last night or yesterday, my goodness, but still enough to put you under that wind chill warning, at least to the south of you, all the way down into the upper Snake River Plain. Du Bois, you'll end up with a low overnight at 3 below zero. We'll be down to -3 in Chalice. Ledor will stay 3 above in Salmon. Coldest temperature overnight will actually go to Afton, looking at a low tonight of 19 below. Thankfully, not quite that cold in Idaho Falls. -7, that's definitely colder than what we had last night. Last night, we managed to see the temperature stay in the single digits. We ended up with a low of 4. So, yeah, over 10 degrees colder, and you start factoring wind speeds. Thankfully, they're not all that strong. Very light breeze out there. We're looking at the coldest or lowest wind chill overnight into tomorrow morning in Idaho Falls of 20 below zero. Not quite as cold in Pocatello. We got the goose egg in town. That's in the middle of town at least. Wind chill expected of -12 late tonight through early tomorrow morning. Wind speeds light out there. They'll crank up a little bit tomorrow afternoon. And you'll probably notice a few clouds in the sky when you wake up in the morning. So not quite as sunny as it was today, but we'll get some blue sky. Just be patient. 28 is where we're going to end up for a high this afternoon. We'll hit 20 in Idaho Falls. That's a tad bit colder than it was this afternoon. This afternoon we were at 25. Same thing, a few clouds, especially in the morning, and then we get some sunshine. Only 17 for high in Du Bois, so almost right now is almost as warm as it's going to get tomorrow. So that cold air continues to push down from Montana. 20 for high in Island Park, 19 for high in Soda Springs, only 16 for high in Montpelier. You know what? It's colder elsewhere. Our neighbors way off towards the east. Check out the high in Riverton, only 11 tomorrow. Meanwhile, we got Chinook winds up in Montana, Great Falls, 42 and very windy there, and a bit warmer over in Pendleton, Oregon, almost 50. I'd like some of those 40s. Unfortunately, we don't have those in our 7-day forecast. Take a look-see here. We do get above freezing, and there's a little temperature bump, if you will. Highs above freezing this weekend, but starting Sunday, a chance of snow. On Monday, perhaps warm enough to see snow and rain. With a bunch more of that wind we just had. Idaho Falls 7-day forecast. Temperatures moderating a little bit as we go into the weekend. Warmest day coming up will be on Monday with the possibility of snow. High at 34. Same thing for Rexburg. But there is a chance of snow starting Sunday, and we could see snow all the way into Wednesday. Now for the Teton area, more snow definitely on the way starting Sunday. In fact, 4 days of snow, likely at least. High temperatures in the 20s, and for the central mountains, no new snow, at least for the next several days. Latter half of the weekend, we may see some snow with the chances of snow continuing into Wednesday. Warmest day coming up will be 2 days in a row. Sunday and Monday will hit a high of 35.